Hari Om Bhagini.
Bhagini, Namaste. Prarambham Kurmava. Samyak Shruyate Samyak Drishyate va?
Am Bhagini.
Mani. Namaste Mani. Namaste. Adav Prarthana Karmi. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvikhnam Kurume Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sada. Adya Vayam Anuswara Sandhi Adhimahi. We will know what Anuswara Sandhi is. So, as usual, let's go through the Sutra. Sutramasti Monuswaraha. Only that is the Sutra. Monuswaraha. And the Sutra number is 8.3.23. Ashtama Adhyaye Tritiya Pade Trayovimshatihi Vimshatehe Sutramasti Anuswara Sandehe Sutram. Monuswaraha Hali. Hali that I have put in bracket is brought from other previous sutra. Some other sutra which is before this. And that is why it is in bracket, and that is called Anuvartate. Hali Anuvartate. It comes from somewhere else. So Monuswaraha is Maha. You know, you all know Purva Rupa Sundhi. Maha plus Anuswaraha. Maha Anuswaraha Hali. Iti Sutramasti. Mantasya Padasyanusaro Hali. This is the explanation given. Mantasya and means Ma Antasya, the one which is ending with M. Ma Antasya Padasya Anuswaraha Hali. Let's break down and understand what it means. Maha. Maha iti Makara Shabdasya. Ma Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti Maha. So I have told you the one that is in Shashti will be Sthani. Sthani ityukte, the one that is going to get replaced. So Ma will go out and something else will come in. So what is this? Padasya ante makara asti chet. This sandhi will happen if a pada ends in a makara. So when it is ending in a makara, makara is getting replaced. Makara is a sthani here, so that is getting replaced. Replaced with what and under what condition? We'll see. Next is Anuswaraha. Monuswaraha. Maha Anuswaraha. Anuswaraha is, as we see, is the Anuswara Shabda, and that is in Prathama Vibhakti. So whatever is in Prathama Vibhakti is the one that is coming as Adesha or Agama or Lopa, whatever. So this is going to come. So we have understood that Anuswara is going to come and Ma is going out. So Ma is getting replaced by Anuswaraha. Under what condition? Hali. So Hali is Hal. Hal Shabdka Saptami Vibhakti. So whenever things are in Saptami Vibhakti, Shabda Saptami Vibhakti asti che, what does it say? Pare bhavitavyam. That is whatever has to be in front of it. That is a condition. So if a makara hali pare, that means if it has hal, what is hal? Hal is, it is a, can anybody say what is hal? Vyanjanam asti. So hal, if when a makara has hal in front of it, then makara changes to anuswara. That is the sutra is, this is what is being told by the sutra. Maha plus anuswaraha is monuswaraha. That is maha, ma plus hal will be anuswara. Makaranta padam hali pare. Makaranta padam, when a padam is ended with the makara, hali pare, comes in contact with hal, that is Vyanjana, has Vyanjana in front of it, then Anuswaraha bhavati. It will get changed to Anuswara. So Makara goes and we put the dot on the top. See this in fact, if you remember this, they had given it as a rule, kind of a rule in Parichaya. I mean, I think it was in Pravesha only. Right? In Pravesha, we were told that. Right? You remember? We didn't know why. We were just blindly asked, whenever you have a swara, you put the full makara. Whenever you have a vyanjana following, put it on the top. So we were doing this. That is because of this sandhi called anuswara sandhi. So yada padantasya makarasya pare vyanjanam bhavati tada makarasya sthane anuswaraha adeshaha bhavati. So makara is getting replaced by anuswara when it is facing vyanjana. When it is facing swara, nothing happens. Like, aham gachami, you will say aham goes on the top, right? It will be anuswara. Like if I say aham anusarami, then it will be aham agachami. Say, then you will have to put the makara full. Aham will have end with a makara. We have all done that right from Pravesha, but we didn't know why, but that is because of this anuswara sandhi. So makara plus vyanjanam equals anuswara. So makara is going out, anuswara is coming in when makara is facing vyanjanam. So purva varnam makara asti, paravarnam vyanjanam asti chet, makarasya sthane anuswaraha adeshaha bhavati. Iti anuswara sandhihi. Understood? Any questions? Okay, agre gachamah va? Okay, let's see some udaharana. Ramam vande. Ramam is ending with a makara. Vande has a vyanjana, that is a v. So makara is facing a vyanjana. So makara gets converted to anuswara. So it becomes Ramam vande. Very, very, very subtle difference in pronunciation. Okay, Ramam vande. It's very, very subtle, which I am unable to produce, or you may not be able to make out from my ucharana, but it is definitely visible while writing. Okay, so Ramam vande, then Dharmam chara. So anything that is ending with a makara, having a vyanjana next to it, makara gets changed to anuswara. So dharmam chara. Next is Geetam Shrutva. Geetam and Shrutva is again a vyanjana. So makara is replaced by anuswara. Karyam karotu. Karyam ending with makara. Karotu, ka is a vyanjana. So makara gets replaced with anuswara. It becomes karyam karotu. Any doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, what is this Geetam Shrutva? You have written Ajantaha.
Where is it?
The third example, ma'am.
Oh, I am so sorry. This must have been it is definitely a mistake. Maybe I copied the table and changed. I'll change it. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Geetam Shrutva, here let me just change it right away. Okay, is it right?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much for pointing out. Okay, I'm sorry about it. Yeah. Any other questions?
Hari Om, ma'am.
Hari Om.
What about the other rule? Like, if there is followed by a vowel,
yes.
Like
it will remain. See, Ramam.
Agacchati.
Yeah. Aham shalam gachami. Shalam gachami, because it has a ga, it will go to the top. It will become a anuswara. Aham shalam agachami, it will be makara only. Shalam will have a makara only. It will not change. This sandhi will not happen.
Okay. To have that halan, right, instead of im, the halan, right? So
yes.
The rule is, if it is followed, the second word, right? Second padam has always a vowel, then it has to be always halan. Is it true?
No, see, it is always a halant only. Only if it has a vyanjana next to it, it will change to anuswara. See,
Okay.
that is the reason. If you understand padacheda, we do right. Every word we make it makara ending. So every word as an individual word will have a makara ending.
Okay.
Okay. Only when it has a vyanjana next to it, it will change to anuswara.
Okay. I think I understood. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Madam,
Yeah.
when we are writing our answers, if by mistake, instead of, though there is a Vyanjan there, but instead of putting Anuswar, if I wrote Geetam with the Halantama,
Yeah.
would that be wrong?
It would be wrong, definitely. But then I think at your level, they might excuse, but not at Kobida level for sure.
Thank you.
Understood? Because you will have to have this much of knowledge,
Yeah.
but maybe at this level because you're learning. But I think you were told right at Pravesha that this needs to be followed. I know how it feels because while writing you are in that flow, you will not really be that quick in deciding whether it has to go on the top or even I have scratched many times because I would have written more fully and then realized there is a vyanjana there. It is better you scratch and correct yourself. Right? Okay. Yeah. About this, I will not be having any exercise because there is no point in giving exercise because it's all in the writing, right? If I want you to answer the question, the pronunciation is more or less the same. So no exercise on this. But please be aware that whenever there is a vyanjana, you will have to change it to anuswara.